Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out the latest £2 coin from the Royal Mint, which is the Mayflower £2 coin. And this is how it arrived in the Royal Mint handbag, front and back. But of course I'm going to do my usual thing now where I open mine up, so that if you've got this and want to see all the information inside, well, you don't have to open yours if you don't want to. And there we have it. That's the front, now that we've taken the packaging away. And the back. We'll check all of this information out in a bit. So let's just have a quick look at all the information that you get. So what I'm going to do is scan along, and if I am moving too quickly, then of course feel free to pause and have a read at your own pace. And now we're going to flip it over to the other side. And then we get some information there about the design and the designer being Chris Costello. And then that brings us all the way back to the back. And let's have a look at this information before we actually get onto the coin specs. The story of the Mayflower is one that many Americans see as a cornerstone of their country's ideological structure. Seeking a new life away from religious persecution, the men and women of the Mayflower endured rough seas, harsh weather, illness and tragedy to build a new life in a new world. The Royal Mint commemorates the 400th anniversary of the beginning of their story, the voyage of the Mayflower. And now we move over to the coin specs. So the denomination is £2, the inner alloy copper nickel, outer alloy nickel brass. The weight is 12 grams, diameter 28.40 millimeters. The edge inscription, undertaken for the glory of God. Quality is brilliant and circulated. Obverse designer Jody Clark and the reverse designer is Chris Costello. Now let's check out the coin itself. And we'll start off with the Obverse. And true to form, any white packaging plays havoc and glare with my lights. But look at that. Brilliant uncirculated finish and looks stunning and perfect. And there we have it, the reverse of the coin. 1620 to 2020, Mayflower. And that is a very well designed £2 coin. I think that is fantastic. I don't know why. I really like it when they put a ship on a £2 coin. And that just looks great. Great detail. Awesome. And there it is, the new £2 coin from the Royal Mint. And I want to know in the comment section below, what do you think of the design of this coin? And also, have you bought it? If so, did you get the brilliant uncirculated like I did? Or did you go for a higher proof version? Maybe the silver or the gold? But like I said, leave that in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button, because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching!